Alright, so here's problem number 2. It says the table below shows how wind affects a runner's performance in a 200-meter race. Positive wind speeds correspond to tailwinds and negative wind speeds correspond to headwinds. The change T in finishing time is the difference between the runner's time when the wind speed is S and the runner's time where there is no wind. Okay. It says the question is asking you to find the best fitting quadratic model, which means that we need to find that quadratic equation. So we need to find a and then x squared plus, and then we need to find bx, bx. We need to find a, we need to find b, and then we need to find the c, and then we have our equation. So to do that, we're gonna go into Desmos again. It's just always the same step. I'm gonna just erase everything. Start here, plug in your table, and then so here's my table. You're gonna plug in these numbers. So you have -6 goes to 2.28, and then -4 goes to 1.42. You see it starts like plotting them. -4 goes to 0.67. Oops. 0.67. Come on. Okay. And then 0, 0. Okay, so it's kind of, I don't know, so far I don't see a quadratic, it just looks like a line here. But it's okay, let me keep typing. You have 2 goes to -0.57. So it's looking like a line to me. Maybe it's a really wide quadratic, like a compressed function. Then 4 goes to -1.05. Okay. Wait. Is that 4? Okay. Kind of waiting for it to like the model to come back up here. 6 goes to -1.882. Okay, well, all right, let's see what our regression says. So we're gonna do our regression, and I'll do this a little slower. So I do have the regression model in your notes right here at the top right here. So basically we are trying to type this in. So you're going to put y1, and to get the y1 you just put y1, and it puts it right there at the bottom. Regress. Now regress is, if you go press ABC, it's right here, or on your keyboard it's under your escape button. X1, so I have to press X1. This X works too, and then but you do need to make sure you have the squared. So basically AX squared, the 1, so that it learns to, it takes the numbers from this list right here, X1, Y1, plus BX, so this is right here, BX1 plus C. Okay. Wow, look at that. It is a 99% match. It is. So if you look at it, if the trend keeps going, it does. If I zoom out, you're like, where's the parabola? It's just we needed more data for it to like go back up. Okay. But so far, yeah, it looks pretty good to me. So A is equal to that. A is 0. It's a really, where's my problem? Down here. So A is equal to 0.005, almost like the it's not even there. 59. I'll just put that. and then B is equal to negative 0.33, and then the C is equal to 0.0376. Okay. All right, it says, what is the change in the running time, whoops, when the wind speed is 10. So basically what that means is we have to plug in 10 here, and I did show you. I will write it, but then I'll show you how we can just do this in Desmos. And so it's negative, so I'm just going to put minus 0.3310 plus 0.0376. So we need to find all this. So in Desmos, what you can do is you can just go to the third line here and just put x equals and then whatever your x value is, which is 10. And Desmos draws this vertical line here, and then you can just set x equals 10. My model is at right here, negative 2.667. So my answer is, so f of 10 is equal to negative 2.667. I'll just round it off like that. So that is my final answer. Okay.